when people return back also, if they're going to do the same thing again, they might not be the same people that they were. I am coming back and I'm not the same person I was 3 years ago, and I've evolved and I'm quite different. Plus यहाँ कोई रिश्ते बने भी नहीं है, मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ सबको, ये बिग बॉस का मकान है, घर नहीं है। घर वो होता है जहाँ रिश्ते बनते हैं, यहाँ बने नहीं है। यहाँ बाहर के रिश्ते, उन्हीं पे लड़ाई आगे पीछे हो जा रही है।
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'll be chatting with Vikas Gupta, the OG mastermind of Bigg Boss, who's going to enter the house and I'm sure make it even more dramatic. Hi Vikas, welcome to Peeping Moon.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How have you been?
I've been quite busy with all these interviews that are happening and the excitement people are showing towards me getting back into the house. It feels really nice because I wasn't very sure of doing this again because I've had an experience start of the season. I was removed from the first 2 weeks of seniors thing, but I'm glad I took this up because, you know, every single time I meet people outside, they will tell me, aren't you coming this season? So it's become like a ritual that every season I come, I do things and I go away. So this season, I wasn't going, and I had told also I'll not do Bigg Boss. You have removed me and all that. So as many times I would meet people and they would say that, and I said, yeah, it's nice. That connect is beautiful when people say that. And then when this came, and I also had a certain amount of need that I had to. So somehow everything fell in place together, and I was saying I'm in the quarantine and locked up.
Yeah. Okay. And because your season was full on entertainment, drama, everything, and a lot of the credit also went to you because you were given the title of this mastermind. And after that, if you see the seasons, people have been just copying the tag that, don't be a mastermind like Vikas and something like that. So according to you, who do you think in Bigg Boss 14 is actually the mastermind, or is there no one?
I really feel that people should stop putting people in this comparison meter. There's some things I will be good at and there's some things the other person will be good at. And like for example, after our season, everyone was looking for mastermind and Ghar Ki Maa and the vamp and this and that. Then the next season didn't do as well, but then came the 13th season, which is so well, and everyone was looking for a next Asim, then Sidnas चाहिए लोगों को, पर नहीं होता ना, हर किसी का अपना एक uniqueness होती है. That's the reason why they are like that. Some, and even if you, for example, are managing to say चलो इसको बना देते हैं हम ये, लेकिन अब वो इंसान वो नहीं है जो आप देख रहे हो. You'll be surprised that when people return back also, if they're going to do the same thing again, they might not be the same people that they were. I am coming back and I'm not the same person I was 3 years ago, and I've evolved and I'm quite different. So, we'll have to just wait and see what happens.
Okay. And what, now that you're entering not as a competitor, but sort of as a challenger, but of course the head of the challenger, if I may say
no,
so.
Actually,
No?
No, I'm not going to be challenging anyone. I'm not the challengers.
Okay.
So I'm taking the team of challengers with me, which are the 5 people, and they are brilliant. They all have been so good in their seasons. The only thing is they didn't get to win the trophy, and this time they will get another chance at the trophy. I think that's quite exciting.
Okay. So anything that you have planned to, make the season, the current one, even more interesting?
See, I've learned this after doing the Bigg Boss. The number of times I've been in the house and season is that you should never plan.
Okay.
Planning on this show is actually your downfall. Because आप plan किसके basis पे करोगे? लोगों के basis पे करोगे. And planning लोगों के basis पे कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए because human beings are people who lie to themselves also. And they can live lies for a long time. So I just feel that it's very important that you do things which are in your control and which you can do. And that would mean that you are present the situation that you are Finally, that's it.
So last season, was there something that went wrong between you and Kashmira Shah? Because there was this post that Colors put up with your photo in the middle, and there were of course all the 5 challengers, and her husband Krishna commented on it, and it was like, why is his photo in the between? And he's koi bhi isme se itna bada star nahi hai, something like that. So that came across as
Did
very
that really
confusing.
happen?
Yeah, today only I read the
Did that
comment
happen?
on
I did not
Colors
know.
page. Because I saw the post on
Really?
Twitter because your fans were getting a
Oh, I
little
had no idea.
angry. Yeah.
See, I'll tell you what, no. The reason why my name is my picture in the middle has nothing to do with anything else, but the fact that I was given the responsibility to take these 5 in the house together. And I have always, in all my interviews, been very respectful to all of them because I feel every one of them has done and achieved a lot.
Yeah.
And if they feel that a person who is leading a team and it has to do with age or it has to do with anything else or seniority, then I feel that that's a very wrong way of looking at it, definitely. And the way I think it could also be that I've had the most experience to be in the house. I've been there for the last 3 seasons, and I have done exceedingly well in whatever capacity that I could. Is probably the reason why I have been chosen as a leader, or however they would like to portray it to be. But as I walk inside, I like I said, they are not less, if not more, uh, stronger players than I or anyone else would be inside the house. So that's ideally what it is. And if Krishna or if anyone else feels that this is what it is, they should definitely have a chat with Colors because they are the ones who have decided on this to do.
Yeah, definitely. And you have been watching and following the show. I also read your tweets. You tell me, from outside the house, who do you think is playing the game in a best manner?
See, I like Rahul, I like Rubina. Games very much. Rubina is a very good player. Rahul is a very real player. So is Jasmine because they make mistakes and they let it happen. They show it. Nikki Tamboli is perfect player. She's here because she's a player. She does the drama. You like the entertainment. It's fun to watch her. So yeah, everyone who has reached now, not till finals, they are good. Yeah, they have managed to do it because they've reached somewhere. So it makes more sense.
Okay. And the TRP, of course, this season we have been, seeing it's not gone a lot high because, of course, the expectations have increased after the last season. Why do you think that's happening? Do you think because a lot of people, as you also mentioned, are hoping and also copying the last contestants, last seasons and your season and every season? They are just picking up good contestants and trying to be like that. What do you think it is?
Personally, I feel that you have to also blame it on the year 2020. It's just not just Big Boss, it's every other show which has not had the same kind of adulation that ideally they would have received. So it's kind of slow on that process. The second thing I think is that yes, this season there are people who have, who are very guarded. उनको पहले मालूम उन्हें क्या करना है, किससे दोस्ती करनी है, क्या नहीं करना है. तभी मैं बोलता हूँ प्लानिंग करने का कोई फायदा होता नहीं है, ideally. So it just leads it to a situation where it's not right. And you are not yourself, then for some time you can be not yourself, then you'll have to become yourself. So there's no consistency in your character, in your what do you call it, emotions or in your reactions, and that's where people get disconnected from you. Plus यहाँ कोई रिश्ते बने भी नहीं है. मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ सबको, ये बिग बॉस का मकान है, घर नहीं है. घर वो होता है जहाँ रिश्ते बनते हैं, यहाँ बने नहीं है. यहाँ बाहर के रिश्ते, उन्हीं पे लड़ाई आगे जी पीछे हो जा रही है. तो I think that's what's missing, and I think everyone who's coming into the house will have the same amount of excitement, and they will bring in what I think is missing.
Okay. And according to you, who do you think is going to win? I know it's a far off question, but yeah, because I saw a video of yours where you were making some predictions. So I was like, yeah, let me ask.
So I made predictions for who will be a top 4 this weekend.
Okay, this weekend.
So वो मेरा 3 दिन पहले का था, I think. वो उस समय मेरे थे Jasmine, Rubina, Ijaz, and I thought between Rahul and Kavita. Now I'm saying it'll be Abhinav.
Abhinav, yeah.
That's what I feel.
Okay. Okay, because lastly, I have this quick rapid fire round with you, wherein I'll name an adjective and you have to say which contestant comes to your mind.
Okay, done.
Okay. So the player of the house.
Rubina,
Okay. The most dumb person in the house.
yeah, already gone.
Okay. The mean person.
Mean/selfish. Nikki.
Hmm.
She
Nikki.
enjoys to do that also.
Okay. The clever person.
Nikki.
And the most calm one.
Abhinav.
Abhinav. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Vikas, for chatting with me. I'm looking forward to watching you on TV now.
I am also very excited. Vote for me and do what you can to make me win. I need to
Definitely.
win this time. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you so
definitely.
much.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.